Hello and welcome to the session. In this session we will discuss a question which says that expand the cube root of 999 correct to 4 decimal places. Now, before starting the solution of this question, we should know some results. First is, if we have to find the nth root of any number capital N, then we can write it as a raised to power n plus b whole raised to power 1 by n, where a raised to power n is nearest to capital N and b, which is either positive or negative, is very small in comparison to a raised to power n. Further, for expanding this, we have to make the first term equal to unity. So this will be a raised to power n whole raised to power 1 by n inside 1 plus b over a raised to power n whole raised to power 1 by n. Now, on expanding this, an approximate value of the root can be obtained. Secondly, we all should know the expansion of a binomial expression, and that is 1 plus x raised to power n is equal to 1 plus nx plus n into n minus 1 over 1 into 2 into x square plus n into n minus 1 into n minus 2 over 1 into 2 into 3 into x cube plus so on up to infinity, where the absolute value of x is less than 1 and n be any fraction. Now these results will work out as a key idea for solving out this question. Now we will start with the solution. Here we have to find the cube root of 999. Now cube root of 999 can also be written as 999 whole raised to power 1 by 3, which will be equal to 999 can be written as 1000 minus 1 whole raised to power 1 by 3, which can be further written as 1000 can be written as 10 raised to power 3 minus 1 whole raised to power 1 by 3. Now we have written the cube root of 999 as a raised to power n plus b whole raised to power 1 by n, where capital N is 999, a raised to power n is 10 raised to power 3 and b is minus 1. Now here you can see that the value of a raised to power n is nearest to capital N, that means 1000 is nearest to 999, and also b is very small in comparison to a raised to power n, that means minus 1 is very small in comparison to 1000. Thus, we have written 999 raised to power 1 by 3 as 10 raised to power 3 minus 1 whole raised to power 1 by 3. Now, we have to expand this expression. But before expanding this, we have to make the first term equal to unity. So this will be equal to 10 raised to power 3 whole raised to power 1 by 3 inside 1 minus 1 over 10 raised to power 3 whole raised to power 1 by 3. Now using the expansion which is given in the key idea, we will expand this expression. Here x is minus 1 over 10 raised to power 3 and n is 1 by 3. Now 10 raised to power 3 whole raised to power 1 by 3 into 1 minus 1 over 10 raised to power 3 whole raised to power 1 by 3. So this will be equal to, here 3 will be cancelled with 3, so it will be 10 into 1 plus nx, which will be 1 by 3 into minus 1 over 10 raised to power 3 plus n into n minus 1, that is 1 by 3 into 1 by 3 minus 1 over 1 into 2 into x square, that is minus 1 over 10 raised to power 3 whole square plus so on. This will be equal to 10 into 1 minus 1 over 3 into 10 raised to power 3 plus 1 by 3 into 1 by 3 minus 1 will be minus 2 by 3 over 1 into 2 will be 2 into minus 1 over 10 raised to power 3 whole square will become 1 over 10 raised to power 6 plus so on. Further, this will be equal to 10 into 1 minus 1 over 3 into 10 raised to power 3. Here it will be minus, since plus into minus is minus, and on calculating this will be 2 will be cancelled with 2 and it will be 1 by 9 into 1 by 10 raised to power 6 plus so on. Further, multiplying 10 inside, it will be 10 minus 10 over 3 into 10 raised to power 3 minus 10 over 9 into 10 raised to power 6 plus so on. Now this will be equal to 10 minus 10 will be cancelled with 10 here, so it will be 1 over 3 into 10 raised to power 2 minus, again 10 will be cancelled with 1 10 here, so it will be 1 over 9 into 10 raised to power 5 plus so on. This will be equal to 10 minus 1 by 3 into 1 over 10 raised to power 2 minus 1 by 9 into 1 over 10 raised to power 5 plus so on. This will be equal to 10 minus, on calculating this will be 0.003333 minus, on calculating this will be 0.000001 plus so on, which is further equal to 10 minus, on adding these two terms, this will be 0.003334. On subtracting, this will be equal to 9.996666, and this is equal to, on rounding off, it will be 9.9967, correct to 4 decimal places. Hence, the value of cube root of 999 is equal to 9.9967, correct to 4 places of decimals. So this is the solution of the given question, and that's all for this session. Hope you all have enjoyed the session.